We're here today at beautiful WeatherTech Laguna Seca, and this is our 4th annual 4Cam Jam.
4Cam Jam in concept is about the early cars, the complexity and the coolness of the 4Cam engines and the cars that represented that. Modern cars join in here, more current race cars that evolved from that, but celebrating the beginnings in the form of the 4Cam engine.
It's been fantastic. For a lot of people, this is their first time getting to drive in Laguna Seca, so it's a pretty special occasion.
You know, we buy modern cars, we drive them on the highway. Sometimes we speed, sometimes we don't. But vintage cars and race cars, you can't do that. But being able to come out here and just open them wide open, just see what they do, just experience what the car was designed to do, I mean, it's unbelievable.
A lot of modern historic racing, the run groups, you're not very comfortable bringing out a $5, $6, $7, $10 million race car. And so that's why events like this are very unique and cool.
Of course, Laguna Seca, I mean, the weather this beautiful October morning, I mean, it's just outstanding. The way the sun's coming up, the way it bounces off these cars, you know it's just going to be a great day. You know, the mix of modern and vintage that they always bring out to these events is spectacular. I mean, to see a Pebble Beach winning in 904 and 550 Spyders, and everything that Road Scholars and Cam's team work on, to see them actually in action, moving around out here on the track, to hear them, smell them, I mean, it's absolutely a wonderful feast for the senses.
To be able to drive cars like this at a track where I grew up around watching races, it's a pretty amazing experience.
I've been coming here since 1965. I'm amazed that these cars still can be driven at more or less racing speeds, and that's amazing.
To be around this machinery and have the track to ourselves is second to none. Yeah, my mom's here.
Last year for my birthday, he gave me a day in his car, and that was the last day it was his car. It's like a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
It's my dream track. We've been to a lot of races here. To be able to actually come and drive it was a real thrill.
It's been great. It's an excellent track, and I'm enjoying my car and having a blast.
We had 2 great track days with no incidents, great driving, great coaching, and just a really special experience. Great food and wine too.